and welcome to the next session of our subject social science. Here we are going to begin, we are going to start our new lesson. Lesson 5, location and time. Yes, we are going to study about the location and time. What is location? If someone asks you where is your house located, where are you located, where is your school located, etc. Many questions someone is asking from us. So हम answers देते हैं, we are giving the answers that we live here, our home is here, our school is here, etc. etc. But in this lesson, we are not going to talk about the location of your house or your school or etc. We are here going to talk about the location, how we are finding that location, about the location of our earth. हमारा earth पे जो हम locate करते हैं कोई भी चीज, how we locate, कैसे पता चलता है हमें. Okay, so if we try to find someone's location, तो कैसे location हम find कर सकते हैं? Understood? So that is why we are going to talk about the location based on the earth, how the earth is divided and how we get the exact location. Next is time. Time, yes, we are daily talking about time, that now ये time हुआ है और this much we are talking daily. But how we get this time? हमें ये time मिलता कैसे है? On the earth, we all know that if we cross sea, if we cross some country, time change we can have the changes in the time. So why it happens? Why there are changes if we cross seas and go from one country to another, हम continents cross करते हैं, ये ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? Why? So we are going to talk about that in this lesson. So to begin, what we will cover in this lesson? First of all, if we want to study about this, we have to study about different longitudes. What are longitudes? Latitudes क्या होते हैं? Major longitudes and latitudes, which are the important longitudes and latitudes which are there on the earth. They are on the earth पे होते हैं, और they are on the globe. Globe पे होते हैं कि earth पे होते हैं? Yes, this is a major question. We will get to know. We will discuss about this. Okay. What else we will see? International dateline, local time we will study, and standard time. These all are the topics which we are going to cover in this lesson. Yes. So to cover this, first of all, we will also see about our globe. So to begin with this chapter, let's first of all study what are all these things. So now let's begin with our lesson. Here you can see the globe. So I know that you have seen the globe many times, but the question which is on our mind, which arises in our mind, is that what are these vertical and horizontal lines on the globe of the earth called? So these lines which are vertical and some are horizontal, standing or sitting, whatever you call. You have learned these, you know vertical and horizontal क्या होता है. So what are these lines called? इनको क्या कहते हैं? First of all, the next question which arises is, are these lines drawn on the surface of the earth? क्या ये lines हमारे earth के surface पे really they are drawn like this? इस तरह से draw हो चुके है real में है? No, these are only the imaginary lines. इसको imaginary lines कहते हैं. These really are not there on the surface of the earth, but as we have assumed that these lines should be on the globe, because if we have to find someone's location and if you have to find some time of any area particular, we want to know the time of that particular area. Is city में or is country में what time is there now? So that is why these lines are very important, and through this we can know someone's or ours location and time. What time is around us, what location we are now, where we are standing, okay, etc. etc. So I hope that is clear that these lines which are there on this globe, they are not really on the surface of the earth. These are the imaginary lines. We have assumed that ये lines हैं, and these are some of horizontal and some are of vertical. Now, what do we call them? इसको कहते क्या हैं lines को? What do we call? The lines which are horizontal, we call it latitudes, and the lines which are vertical, we call it longitudes. Once again, the lines which are horizontal like this, these are called latitudes, and the lines which are vertical, these are called longitudes. So I hope this is clear. Now we will move first of all to our latitude parts. We will try to understand that what are called the latitudes. So if you have seen your house, if you have seen your classroom, there is the architecture of anything, the construction of any room, there is the mats in it, मतलब angles बने होते हैं. Okay. So if you want to try to find that angle, what you will take? You will take a protector, you will take some lines that इसको रख के हम angle find कर सकते हैं. Same way, if I take one page and draw a circle, एक पेज पे we will draw a circle, and in that circle, in the center, हम एक line बना देते हैं. Okay. And in the center जो line हमने बनाया, that we give this 0 degree, हम उसको 0 degree का दे देते हैं, that this line is 0 degree, because this whole will be of 180 degree, right? And the other half part will be another 180 degree. तो protected की तरह हमें find करना easy रहेगा. So like this, इसको 0 degree देंगे ना, and if we want to find some angle, तो we can take a protector here, keep it, and हम angle find कर सकते हैं. That for example, ये कौन सा angle है, ये कौन सा angle है, और ये कौन सा angle है. Understood? So from here we keep protector, and यहाँ पे ये वाला angle we all know that this is 90 degree. उस तरह से suppose 30 degree, 60 degree, हमें बहुत सारे angles अगर find करें तो we can do with the help of protector. Same way हमारे earth पे भी, suppose this is our earth, हमारे earth पे कुछ lines, there are some lines which are drawn, these are imaginary, and the line which is in the middle of that globe, बिल्कुल जो middle में आता है उसको 0 degree कहते हैं. Now first of all I will explain you this, but what are latitudes? Latitudes क्या है वो हम देखेंगे. Latitudes, the other name of latitudes is also parallels. Parallel भी कहा जाता है. Why parallels? Because if we draw the lines, ये अगर 0 degree है और ये एक दूसरे के सारे parallel होते हैं, बिल्कुल एक जितनी, इसके बीच में जो distance होता है, that is the same between all the latitudes. एक जितना distance रहता है, that's why these are called parallels of latitudes. इसको parallels भी बोला जाता है, because these are parallels. एक के बिल्कुल एक equal distance में line रखी हुई है हमने. Okay, so what we can call latitude किसको कहेंगे? We got to the definition of latitudes. Latitude is an angle which ranges from 0 degree at the equator to 90 degree, that is north or south at the poles. What is equator? Oh sorry, what is latitude? Latitude किसको कहा जाएगा? For example, if this is our globe, earth, model of the earth बोलते हो आप इसको. So here I will draw the 0 degree. In that 0 degree, इसको हम कहते हैं, क्या कहते हैं? Yes, we call it equator. Here 0 degree latitude, this latitude, the central line of the globe which divides the earth between two parts. ये 0 degree earth को दो पार्ट में डिवाइड कर देता है, पूरा दो पार्ट में डिवाइड कर देता है. एक इक्वल डिस्टेंस रहेगा, यहाँ से यहाँ तक and here to here इक्वल डिस्टेंस रहता है. That is, इसीलिए इसको इक्वेटर कहा जाता है. और ये सबसे बड़ा लैटिट्यूड, सबसे बड़ा पैरेलल, इट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड पैरेलल, longest latitude. Understood? I hope it is clear. So 0, if we take this 0 degree from here, यहाँ पे है 90 degree. अब 90 degree, this is of north and this 90 degree is of south. Why? I will explain. See, when there is equator which is dividing the earth into two halves, so equator का जो ऊपर का पोर्शन रहेगा means this one from here to here, this will be called northern hemisphere, and ये वाला जो पोर्शन कहेंगे this will be called southern hemisphere. That is why if we go upwards, ऊपर से हम कोई भी डिग्री कैलकुलेट करते हैं, मतलब 0 से 90 डिग्री तक जितने भी लैटिट्यूड्स आते हैं, 30 डिग्री आया, 60 आया, whatever latitudes we get, all these are called in the north, and downwards they are called in the southern region, southern hemisphere. Okay, once again लैटिट्यूड इज एन एंगल, लैटिट्यूड और कुछ नहीं बट एक एंगल है जो 0 से लेके 90 डिग्री के बीच में हम मेजर करते हैं, एंड these angles are extending from 0 to poles तक जाते हैं. 90 डिग्री यहाँ here means this is north pole, and 90 degree here means this is south pole. This is called south pole and this is called north pole. North pole poles means yes polar region where there is frigid zone, मतलब पूरा ठंडा रहता है, बर्फ होती है. I hope that you are knowing this. तो इसीलिए इस 0 डिग्री से when we go कौन सा भी एंगल हम मेजर करते हैं, चाहे वो ये 30 हो, 60 हो या ये 90 हो, these all will be called latitudes, and ये सेम रहेंगे. मतलब यहाँ से कैलकुलेट करने के बाद 0 से वापस से यहाँ से 1 से स्टार्ट करेंगे एंड 90 तक हम लेकर आ सकते हैं. Understood? From here again we will start from 0 and from upwards again we will start from the 0 to 90 like this. इसलिए उसको latitudes कहा जाता है. And latitudes के बारे में एक और चीज दी हुई है, lines of latitude run east to west. Lines, जो ये lines है latitudes की, ये आप देख सकते हो, these are running from east to west as circles parallel to the equator. For example, if this is the globe या earth, so these latitudes, ये equator रहेगा, ये lines है पूरी, इस तरह से ये lines चल रही है, east to west में ये जाती है. So these are running from east to west और ये equator के parallel रहेगी. The distance of every line will be same. जितनी भी मैं यहाँ line draw करूँ, the distance will be same. That is why the name is parallels. ये एक दूसरे के साथ parallel रहती है. One more thing about the latitudes. One more thing we will see that here is the diagram. Thus you have studied also in the previous grade. Some latitudes are very important. कुछ जो latitudes होते हैं वो बहुत important कहलाते हैं. What are those latitudes? Yes, I know that you have seen. First of all, the longest latitude, the major latitude, सबसे बड़ा latitude, that is equator. Yes, we all know that equator सबसे बड़ा रहेगा. But there are some other latitudes which are very important. Yes, Tropic of Cancer is there. Tropic of Cancer. 23.5 degree north, it will come in 22.5 degree north. 66.5 degree north latitude is there, that is Arctic Circle. Then there is another south side, 23.5 degree, and there is another 23.5 degree south side, is called Tropic of Capricorn. इस latitude का नाम Tropic of Capricorn है. And the another one is 66.5 degree south, that is Antarctic Circle. So why we have given them different names and why they are so much important? So why we have divided these latitudes in different parts? Why are these latitudes important? Because we wanted to know the exact location. Exact location लेने के लिए we have divided these latitudes. These are the main points on the surface of the earth. These are not really, these are imaginary. Really, these points are not there. And because to divide the earth into the geographical zone, उसको अलग से geographical zone में divide करने के लिए, for example, when the sun rays are there, sun rays totally will fall on the equator first because it is in the center. तो sun rays equator पे जल्दी पड़ती है. That is why the areas which are near to the equator, which are close to the equator, they will feel more heat and warmth of the sun. That is why, and the other difference is the areas which are far away from the equator. For example, here, यहाँ पे sun rays will not fall vertically. They will not fall like as if they are falling on the equator. they will fall slanting. So that is why वहाँ पे सब rays इतनी ज़्यादा पहुँच नहीं सकती, and that is why they will not feel that much warm or heat. So to divide this parts of the earth into certain geographical zones, we have these latitudes. First of all, there is equator, 0 degree, and this area is according to around the equator, means from here to here. This is called torrid zone. इसको torrid zone बोला जाता है. Why torrid zone? Because this is the warmest, this is the hottest zone of the earth. All the areas which are, all the countries, all the cities, all the states which are present here, they will feel, they will experience more heat and light of the sun. Next is here, this area and this area. These will face they will not face so much heat. They will not experience so much heat of the sun. Neither they will experience so much cold. There will be moderate temperature, means medium temperature रहेगा, not so much hot and not so much cold. That is why these areas are called temperate zone. Again I am saying which areas, from here to here, these areas. Tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle and Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle. These will experience moderate temperature, not so much hot, not so much cold. The other portion which is remaining here, Antarctic Circle. From Antarctic Circle to South Pole, from Arctic Circle to North Pole. These areas are called, they will come in frigid zone, because whole year there is ice there. Whole area is covered with ice, it is covered with snow, because the sun rays, they are not falling on these areas. That is why there is so much cold and they are totally covered with ice. The surface of the earth is totally covered with ice. इसलिए इसको frigid zone बोला जाता है. So I hope that is clear. I have explained you about the temperate zone, torrid zone, frigid zone. Now here we have ended our latitude part. In the next session we will understand about the longitudes and the other things, that is standard time and all the rest of the topics. So till then, stay safe, stay home. Thank you and have a nice day.